What if the future of intelligence wasn't about prediction, but about clarity? At GlobalCmd.io, we believe technology should empower people, not replace them. That's why we built Global Command RAD 2X, the world's first symbolic cognition engine. Unlike black box AI that hides its logic and feeds on your data, RAD 2X delivers reasoning that's transparent, auditable, and contradiction-free. Every step traceable. Every decision accountable. Your data remains yours. Your intent remains sovereign. We build tools for creators, freelancers, educators, small teams, anyone who demands intelligence they can trust. This is not artificial intelligence. This is symbolic cognition, and it belongs to you. GlobalCmd.io. Lead with logic. Think without compromise.